Hello, my name's Anders, and today we're going to talk about finding all of your Facebook statuses on Facebook. Now, we're going to just start out right here on the front page of Facebook. You've just logged in. We're going to go to the search bar and type in My Status. Now, what you're looking for is an application which just has a person with a speech bubble coming out of his mouth, and it's called My Status. We're going to click on that. This is going to pop up. We're going to click Go to App, and then allow it to post to Facebook as you, and access the posts in your newsfeed, which you do want to do because that's where your statuses come from. So we're going to just allow that, wait for a second, and this should be able to pull up your status history. And that may take some time if you post many statuses, or it may be quick if you don't post many. So now I actually can look at all of my Facebook statuses that I've posted recently, and as I scroll farther and farther down and click Load More Statuses, it's going to load even more of those because they are all saved on Facebook. And you can pretty much do this for as long as you've been posting Facebook statuses on Facebook. My name's Anders, and today I've shown you how to access and find all of your statuses that you've ever posted on Facebook.